In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom theme that you can apply to your workspace. And I'll show you how to set it as the default theme as well, so that everyone in your workspace has the same branded theme if you wish. So under theme, you can select create theme. Now, the creation process is really, really simple. You just specify a background color, a primary color, and a font to begin with. Then we use AI to generate all of the different theme variables, and then you can further customize them to suit. So in this case, we'll call it BigCo Enterprise Theme. We're going to select our primary color, which for this brand is a yellow. And of course, you can put in hexadecimal colors as well to specify the exact color you want. And we might go with a black theme background. We have a number of fonts built in that you can select from, and you can find a font that matches your brand. And we'll just pick Merriweather here just to go a little bit different. And then we'll select create theme. Now, this process can take a couple of minutes because we do use advanced LLMs to generate all the theme variables, and sometimes it can take a while, so please be patient. Okay, so our BigCo Enterprise theme was created successfully, and you'll see that it appears up the top here. You can see that I'm the author. It was created just now, and by default, it's already enabled here. So you can enable and disable different themes that are available in the workspace. There's also a permission on the actual role where they need the ability to be able to change themes. Otherwise, they'll be locked into whatever the default theme is. So to view the theme, you can click down here and select theme. And if we type in Big Co here, you'll see that the Big Co Enterprise theme is now available. So let's switch to this theme to check out what it created. So you can see this looks pretty good out of the box. It's got pretty good legibility. It's a very dark theme with that yellow. And it looks pretty good. So we could maybe rename this to Big Co Dark Theme and then create a light version as well. So let's go in and edit this theme now. And you'll notice that advanced options are now available. So we can tab over to advanced if we want to fine tune this theme that the model's created for us. So everything's organized to make it a bit simpler, but you can go in here to say buttons and you can change the different colors of the buttons. And literally every color and style in here is available to change. So even the chat interface. So if you want something to contrast better or just like match it better to your brand, you can change it. Everything in here is configurable. When you change it, you just click update theme and it'll go through that same AI sort of LLM check process to make sure everything is contrasted well and works well for you. And then it'll update the theme. So now let's talk about how do you actually set this theme as the default theme. So we'll go into settings. And you can see our current default theme is BigCo Corporate. We'll go in and change this to BigCo Enterprise theme and we'll save it. That's all you need to do. And then anyone that joins the workspace, that will become their default theme when they sign up. Let's quickly jump into roles and we'll go into the member role here and we'll view permissions. And you'll see in the role permissions, and there's a whole separate video on role permissions, so don't stress if I'm running through it too quickly here. But you can see that you need for the members to allow them, if you allow them to switch theme, they can switch between all of the themes that you've enabled in the workspace. If you just wanted to lock them to this particular theme, you could uncheck this ability to switch theme and update it. And what that would do is force everyone back onto the default theme in the workspace, which is currently set to this theme. So there's a lot of customization you can do around themes. You can also enable and disable certain themes that you don't want, or just have a series of branded themes that your members can pick from. But it's a very fun and customizable theme system, and you can play around and tweak it to get it exactly right for your brand.